there are hundreds of tools on the market, but no single playbook for a DevOps transformation. Every team, business, and industry is different, and DevOps virtues can quickly turn to DevOps chaos. Many organizations rely too much on tools to solve issues, but developing an organization-wide DevOps culture requires more than specialized knowledge. With Skillsoft, you'll train for the team, not the tool. Through Percipio, Skillsoft's personalized learning platform, you can assess your team's skills gaps and impact performance with assignments and customized learning paths that match your goals. In a world without standards, you need to cut through the noise, and crowdsourced instruction or a vendor's pitch simply won't cut it. Instead, get purpose-built instruction in the hands of your team, providing a holistic view from professional instructors, practitioners, and thought leaders that's organized in pathways supported by a narrative. And it's just as important as the tech skills themselves to nurture and build teams that work together effectively. Creating leaders that inspire your teams to build great products and help keep the talent you have. Finally, because everyone learns their own way, you'll provide options to make sure durable skills stick. Whether it's hands-on labs to practice the duties of a DevOps engineer, or execute common tasks with tools like Chef or Puppet in a safe environment, code in risk-free sandboxes, or work alongside instructors in live or on-demand boot camps. Those who learn best by reading can dive deeper into topics, all available whenever and wherever they need it. People with the skills flexibility to make DevOps work are in high demand, and most organizations are realizing they need to upskill, reskill, and pre-skill the people they have. The benefits of DevOps are too great to sit this one out. Will you move forward or fall behind the competition? Harness DevOps chaos and thrive with Skillsoft.